And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year day 44. Let us create a more complex flag, for example the US flag. We'll start with the stars. We need 50 in total. Hold shift when you drag it. We don't need a stroke. And the fill, I'll make it pinkish for now because we have a white background. We can't really see white stars on a white background. To copy them, I'll hold Alt. And once you've dragged the copies out of there, you can hold Shift. That will make it snap to the horizontal position. I position one below. The smart guides help me finding a good position. And then I copy the group. So yet again, hold Alt after selecting what you want to copy. And you can drag copies out of there. I need to copy two more at the bottom here. The smart guides help me finding the right position. So we need 15 total, as I've said, and that should be 5 rows of 6 stars and 4 rows of 5 stars. So I'm going to copy these rows now. And for the final one, I need to only copy a row of 6. Now we should have 50. When you size it up and down, always hold Shift to keep the aspect ratio. Now we create rectangles. First up, the bluish one on top. Let me stick with the darker one. Then right click on it, arrange and send to back. I make it a bit bigger. And to be sure that it's in center, you can simply drag it out of there and then drag it back into position, and the smart guides, they will help you yet again. So you can find horizontal and vertical center like this. Select it all, give it a white fill. And then just click on the outside, right here where the rectangle is, give it the bluish fill again. And that's our starting point. I create another rectangle as a starting point for the stripes. Let me give that pinkish color again, and I hold Alt to drag copies out of there. Let me check. We need 13, 7 reds and 6 white ones. Let me use that group first, and it's important to position it on the top left where the bluish one is. Again, right click, arrange, send to back. So you need this node right here being perfectly aligned. But I believe I've missed 2 stripes, so I need 2 more. Just hold Shift and then left click on 2 of them. This will only select these 2 stripes, and then hold Alt and drag 2 copies out of there. Let me zoom in. You need to position it exactly at the edge. Select them all here and then size it down until you hit the blue one. So that should be the way that it is. We need now 4 and 3. So 4 reddish ones and then 3 white ones. Again, I hold Shift when I select them one by one, and that selects them the way that I want to. Select them all and size them a bit to the right. And now we need the bottom ones. So again, select them, hold Alt, drag a copy out of there, delete the top red one, we don't need it, and then hold Shift when you position it upwards. But I zoom in because I want to hit the point perfectly. We need to be exactly there. And you can press Ctrl 0 to zoom out to canvas size. And that should be it. So we need 7 red, 6 white, as I've said, maybe a little bit bigger to the right, but this should be the US flag. When you select it all and resize it, hold Shift to keep the aspect ratio, and this would be one way to create that flag. As always, with these examples, try it out yourself. This is the way you learn Illustrator best. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.